Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will understand why chapters are important for your YouTube video and how to create chapters for your video. To start with, let us understand what are chapters. So this is my another channel based on travel where I do vlogs. You can see over here there are blocks which I have created with some description which gives you or the viewer an idea. They can look at it and directly navigate to the section which interests them, right? So this is one reason which will help the end viewer to better navigate your video and view the part of video which is important to them or they want to listen to. But how does it help you and how you should create it? Now let's say so you can see over here these are the chapters, and I can, as a viewer, I can directly click on it and navigate, right? So if I click on it, you see I have navigated directly to this part, landing in Tanzania. So it helps the viewer, they can directly go from here or move this bar along the timeline and navigate directly. Now suppose, let's understand, so suppose any user is searching for exploring Sinda Island. So I have, anyways, directly shown it. I have searched for exploring Sindh Island, and you can see my video is listed because my chapter's name matches the search result. So you see, even this helps in getting your video ranked in the search engine for YouTube, right? So creating chapters, having the right name for those chapters also help your video get discovered if anyone is searching for the same, right? So it's critical that you first create chapters for the better end viewers experience of your video, and second is for getting ranked in YouTube as well. So how to create videos? The answer is simple. I already showed, right? So these are the ways the chapters appear. This is the exact same way. You can just copy paste this. I will share this uh, text in copy paste format for you to copy, and you can directly basis your video timeline check. So if this discussion starts at 6:14, I can just edit the time over here directly 6:20, and I can type the title and click on save, and it will appear over there, right? So the idea is you just have to, so you have to maintain this time format, timestamp format, hours, minutes, and seconds, and mention the title along with it, and then click on save. You can delete if this is the, so you can create as many chapters as you want, and you can create minimal or maximum as well. It's completely up to you. There is no limitation or these many chapters should only be there in the video, right? So once you do this, then you can click on save, and the chapters will appear in the video when you do it, right? So there is nothing else you have to do. No tool required, no application required, no software required. Some tools have this feature where you can just mention the time and the title of the chapter and it will appear, but this is a way easier way. Just copy paste from the video description. I will paste this text, you can just copy paste and go ahead and do this. I will give this video sample as well if you want to have reference of this video, and you can create, right? So do let me know in case you are facing any queries in creating chapters, and do drop in any comments. Do drop in the comments any queries you have. Do like and subscribe the channel if you like this video, and do tune in for more videos on YouTube.